You all, did you know that you can legally reduce your tax burden by creating Hindu Undivided Family HUF? What is HUF? A complete guide to Hindu Undivided Family. So in this video, we will cover everything about HUF. What is HUF? Who can create an HUF? Benefits and taxation rules, step-by-step process to form an HUF, common mistakes to avoid. So let's dive in. So what is HUF? HUF or Hindu Undivided Family. It is a separate legal entity under Indian tax laws. It is treated as a person under the Income Tax Act, meaning it has its own PAN card and files a separate tax return. So, who can form an HUF? Only Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, and Jain families can form an HUF. HUF consists of Karta, Coparceners, members. Head of the family will be the Karta, male and female descendants will be the Coparceners, and members, other relatives like spouse, children, other than Coparceners will be the members of HUF. So in HUF, Karta will be there, Coparceners will be there, members will be there. So what is the legal recognition? HUF is governed by Hindu law and recognized by Income Tax Act for tax purpose. Example, let's say Mr. Sharma, his wife, and his two sons live together. Mr. Sharma decides to form an HUF. Once created HUF, the HUF can own property, earn income, and pay taxes separately from Sharma's individual income. So why should you create an HUF? So what are the benefits? See, the benefits are separate taxable entity. HUF has its own PAN card and enjoys separate tax exemptions under the Income Tax Act. So reducing the overall tax liability. Tax-free gifts and income splitting, that is an advantage. Deductions under Section 80C, that is an advantage. Investment options, HUF can invest in property, it can invest in stocks and mutual funds, benefiting long-term capital gain taxation. Business benefits, HUF can run a business and profits will be taxed under HUF slab, reducing tax liability compared to individual taxation. So now how to create an HUF? Step 1, create first HUF deed. This is a written document declaring the formation of the Hindu Undivided Family. HUF deed includes details of Karta, details of members, and initial capital contribution. Then apply for PAN card. Since HUF is a separate entity, you need to apply for a PAN card for HUF. After PAN card, then open a HUF bank account. Open a bank account in the name of HUF. The Karta operates this account on behalf of the family. Then start investing or earning income. Once set up, HUF can receive gifts, invest in assets, earn rental income, or business income. HUF taxation, how does it helping saving taxes? See, income tax benefits, if an individual and HUF both earn income separately, then they both get tax exempt separately. So they can get exemption separately. Can HUF own property? Answer is yes. HUF can own residential or commercial property and rental income will be taxed under HUF, leading to lower tax liability. What about business income? Yes, HUF can own residential or commercial property. Rental income will be taxed under HUF. That leading to lower taxability. And what about business income? Yes, HUF can run a business and income generated will be taxed under HUF's name, benefiting from lower tax rates. So what are the common mistakes to avoid? See, using HUF income for personal use. That is a mistake. HUF income should be used for family expenses, not for personal use by Karta. And not maintaining proper records. Always maintain records of transaction, especially gifts and investments, to avoid tax scrutiny. And third one is not understanding partition rules. HUF can be dissolved only by a complete partition. meaning all assets must be distributed among the members. Assuming only males can be a Karta, there is a mistake. After 2005 Hindu succession amendment, daughters have equal rights and can become a Karta of an HUF. Now the conclusion is, if you have a family with common income sources, an HUF can help in tax savings and wealth management. So remember, HUF is useful only managed property. If you are not managed properly, then you better consult a tax expert before creating one. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. For more tax saving tips, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you have any questions, drop them in comments below. See you in the next video. Stay smart. Thank you.